This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here for the 10 a.m. Tiger Financial News Network market update. And this is the 2nd of July, so we're now well into July's action. And look at this little doji candle here in the Dow, in the daily chart, leg C, broken above the resistance level. It's trading up 21 at 34,657. In my show coming up, the Tiger Conditions Hour, I'm going to talk about this particular pattern, this particular candle, what you can expect after the candle. And we're going to watch this very closely because I'm expecting if the Dow is only plus 20 or minus 20 going into the last hour or so, we'll just have a mixed close. We could either have a little bit of a down move or a doji candle and a down move on Tuesday, and then we start to rally again. Let's watch that closely. The S&P, now this is really fascinating because the S&P has made yet another all-time high, extending that monthly chart to leg B. This is leg D in the weekly chart. I'll talk about that as well when we get back. The QQQ NDX 100 goes to leg E at 357.20, all-time high. Amazing action. Leg D in the weekly, G/C in the monthly chart. Now look at this. The IWM, which is the Russell 2000, which constantly keeps struggling. It tries to rally and gets repelled at this resistance line, down $1.60 today, 229. Still within just a couple of points of an all-time high. It's gold that I'm looking at. Gold is up 8. It had a much higher move. Look, it went right to the 14-period moving average. I'll be discussing all of these in my webinar coming up in July. Actually, it's a two-part webinar, full day, one day, and then 2 hours, 2 weeks later to go over all the patterns. Check out front page of TFNN. Don't forget the Tiger dollars. So we're looking at gold coming back from its bounce to the 14-period moving average. Now it's on the 9-period moving average. It's really struggling. The dollar keeps going just very quietly to new all-time highs, recovery highs. Leg D in the daily chart, really nice move. It's getting a little bit tight, but it's doing well. And we're going to be talking about crude oil, which I think is getting close to some kind of a short-term top. It's down 47 cents at 74.75. A lot to talk about in the next hour. Tiger Technicians Hour. Check out my opening call, my daily newsletter, and also check out my upcoming webinar. And there's a lot going on here. Don't forget the Tiger dollars. Go to the front page of TFNN. I'll be back in a moment.